teaching the art of karate for Suzanne Wankett of St. Louis Park. She's an elite black belt in a sport she hopes becomes an Olympic event for the United States by the year 2000.
It's in the very beginning of the process, but you know, you got to have the goal to get there, so they're really working on it.
But as important as the Olympics are to Suzanne, there's something else that's much higher on her list of priorities: her students. Many of Suzanne's students have achieved national recognition. More amazing, over 90% of her students have attention deficit disorder.
Her ADHD is a neurobiologic problem where children and adults seem to have difficulty with modulating their attention span. It seems to help kids with their self-esteem, their self-confidence, and their perceptions of their ability to be successful, for example, in the athletic domain or in the academic domain.
And for Suzanne, her giving so much of herself to these students just comes naturally.
I teach very structured. It's like the Simon Says of karate. Like, feet together, yes, ma'am. Okay, so when they bow, they know what's going on at all times. They're phenomenal. I've had even students that had difficulties ordering their food in restaurants, and they're going out in tournaments, and there are hundreds of people watching, and they're so automatic. They're doing so well.
Ralph John Fritz, for sports, for the right reason.
Become the country's